Hey everyone, I'm Jack, part of the Alpha Streams review team, and today I'm going to walk you through how to submit an alpha for the Alpha 5 competition. This is an overview of the competition. Here you can see the submission requirements, prizes available, the selection criteria, and at the bottom there's the competition discussion forum. You can create teams for the competition here. This lets you work together on your submissions if you have collaborators. We've built template algorithms for each of the ETF universes for use, and today I'm going to clone the technology ETF template algorithm and show you how to submit an alpha. Once you've cloned the project, you'll see a number of preset API. All alpha submissions must have a 5-year backtest, benchmark to the SPY, and must use the Alpha Streams brokerage model, which we've developed to accurately represent the costs, borrowing fees, and other restrictions that funds experience in live trading. Today I'll implement a simple momentum strategy. We'll use Tingo news data to tell us when the market is in an upswing, and the algorithm will exit before it starts a downtrend. We're emitting insights when we place trades. Funds require this as it allows them to see the predictive value of a model as well as order flow information. Competition entries need to be positive and they should be trading daily. You can see this in the insight chart here and in the order tab. There are a few other Alpha Stream standards required to ensure institutional quality, which you can find in the documentation. Once you're happy with your code, head back to the competition homepage and click Submit. If you haven't submitted one before, confirm you've read the terms and conditions. Here we give the alpha a name and a description that gives a good overview of how the signals are being generated. Make it specific enough so the funds have a reasonable understanding of what's going on. Then choose an icon and fill out a few more questions about your model, and once you've done that, click Submit. Your alpha is now in the queue to be reviewed by our team. We check it for all the requirements and then it'll be entered into the competition. Keep in mind you can only submit one alpha per day, regardless of the ETF universe of the submission. All submissions are due by November 1st, and winners will be selected in January of next year. If you have a question, send us a message in the forum. Thanks for watching everyone, and good luck.